I don't want to keep pet at my home.
You
I
don't
don't want
want pets?
because I love their. No, I don't want pets. Why? I have reason for that. I love their freedom because I want free life for myself. So obviously they should live free life, right? They should live freely. So for that, also I don't like. Means I love pet. Okay, I like pet, but I don't want to keep at my home. Okay, I don't want to keep at my home. And do you know, I asked to my daughter also before some time before this class. I asked my daughter. Her name is Anna, and I asked her, Anna, do you want pet? She told me, yes, Mama, I want. And I asked her,
You want
which
a
pet
pet?
do you want? She told me, Mama, I want pig.
Pig? What?
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi Neelima, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Hello. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Am I audible and visible both?
Yes, both. You are
Great.
audible and visible both.
Perfect.
Yes, you're
Hi,
looking
how are
pretty.
you? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
I'm also fine. I'm fine. Yes, I'm
Okay,
fine. I'm
great.
good.
And how are your classes going with the kids?
With the kids, classes are fine. Everything is good.
Yeah. You said that they come to your
Yes,
place,
yes.
no?
Yes, yes. They come to my place.
Yes. So you take it in batches, like 2020, is it?
Yes, yes.
20 batch in the
Yes.
morning and 20 in
Not
the evening.
2020, 20 students are there. I told you total students, okay?
Hello?
20 batches are there. Okay. So according to that, I'm taking students because all students are from all different classes. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not easy to handle all types of classes students at a time.
Okay.
It's a little bit tricky
Okay. So what exactly is the pattern of teaching?
and it's not that much easy. So that's why I divided students between batches and I'm taking those classes for them. Yes. Yes, Parveen. Right, Parveen. Parveen or Parveen?
It's
Parveen, right?
Parveen.
Correct?
Parveen, yeah.
Parveen. Yes,
Yeah.
Parveen, I would like to discuss about session document, okay? Because I know I can talk on normal topics just like if we are communicating or we are not discussing on any normal topic, okay? So I can talk, okay? But if I want to talk on particular topic, just like this, normal conversation, yes, I can do normal conversation. I know about that. I'm very comfortable with that also. But what about topic? If someone is suggesting me topic, so it's little bit difficult, right, to talk on that topic. So yes, I would like to talk on that particular topic.
You would have to tell me what the session document is because I never look into
Yes,
it, so I don't know.
animals and pets.
Sorry? What is it?
Okay, it's okay.
Hello?
Animals and pets.
Neelima, I'm losing you in
Oh,
between
sorry.
every
Yes,
now and then.
animals.
Why is it so? Like, is your network okay?
Yes, network is totally
Hello?
okay, ma'am. Yes, there is no issue. No, here is no any issue. Am I audible or not?
You're audible, but you're going in and out again and again. And your video is getting stuck.
Oh, ma'am, sorry, but I don't. Okay, but I don't know. Network is full here, so maybe it will fine.
Okay,
We have to
fine.
carry.
Yeah,
Sorry
please
for that.
repeat
Yes,
the topic. What is it?
animals, pets. This
Animals.
is topic.
Okay. Animals and
Yes,
pets.
yes, yes,
Oh my God. Okay, that's lovely.
yes,
Do you have a pet? Hello?
yes.
Lost it again.
Okay. No, I don't have pet at my home. No.
Okay, you don't have a pet. Okay. If you would ever ask to
Yeah.
get a pet, which animal would you choose as your pet?
Actually, I don't want to keep pet at my home.
You
I don't
don't
want
want pets?
because I love their. No, I don't want pets. Why? I have reason for that. I love their freedom because I want free life for myself. So obviously they should live free life, right? They
Hmm.
should live freely. So for that, also I don't like. Means I love pet. Okay, I like pet, but I don't want to keep at my home. Okay, Okay, I don't want to keep at my home. And I asked to my daughter also, before some time, before this class, I asked my daughter. Her name is Anna, and I asked her, Anna, do you want pet? She told me, yes, Mama, I want. And I
You
asked
want
her,
a
which
pet?
pet do you want? She told me, Mama, I want pig.
Pig? What?
Yes, yes, pig.
Please don't tell me she
Ma'am.
watches that Peppa Pig thing, so that's why she's wondering she should have a pig as a pet. Oh my god, that's so sad.
Yes, yes, because of Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
She is
Okay.
fond of Peppa Pig. Because
Oh
of
my
that, she wants.
god. Okay.
Yes,
You've
yes.
got to tell her that, it's just in the cartoons that the pig is that cute. But in real life, pigs actually are not the
Right, right.
pets to be
Yes, ma'am.
stay in a
In
civilized
foreign country,
environment.
people are keeping pig as a pet.
They do.
Yes. In foreign
That's
country, people are keeping pig as a pet,
that's
right?
that's the first
They
time
do.
I've heard this.
But in our country, no. In foreign country, they are keeping pig as a pet. But no, in our country, it's not possible, right? No, if you will see photos of all pigs, oh, they are too cute. Okay, like Peppa Pig.
That is what? No, that's a cartoon. It's not a real life pig. You know how
Pinkish,
real
their
life
color is
pigs
pinkish,
they look.
white. Okay, and there are the photos of those pigs. Yes, I know, I know. Yes,
Real
I know.
life pigs, they actually love to stay in mud and slushy, that environment where there's all
Right.
featured and stuff. They cannot stay in a civilized
Yes,
environment.
yes.
Okay, that's
Yes,
fine.
in Peppa Pig also they always show. Okay, they always show there. Pigs love to what? Jump up and down in a muddy puddle. Muddy
Exactly.
puddle, right?
Now,
So
how is
they
your
love.
daughter going to create that muddy puddle at her place? I really wonder. I really
Whenever do you
wonder.
know? Whenever she see muddy puddle outside, okay, she wants to jump up and down in that muddy puddle, okay. And I'm thinking when rainy season will come, what will happen in that those days?
Oh,
What
poor
will happen? I'm
kid.
thinking I'm really scared about this thing. Okay, what will happen? She would like to jump up and down like a Peppa Pig,
Yeah.
and she is too much crazy for Peppa Pig. She is always saying, "Mama, you are mother pig, daddy is father pig, and I'm Peppa Pig." Okay, and we are pig family. We are pig family.
Oh my god, this Peppa Pig
Yes.
needs to stop. We need to stop that telecast. It is so bad.
No, no, no. But she is learning lots of things from that show. Okay, she is learning. That show is really good. Okay, there are
You
pigs. Okay, but those all pigs are cute. So
you're
cute. Too
making
cute.
her watch these cartoons in English.
Yes, yes. She always watch in English.
Perfect. That's nice.
Yes, yes,
Okay, now that
yes.
we've known what she would want as a pet, let's ask you, if you're ever asked to keep a pet, what pet would you keep? Keeping aside
Please,
the
sorry,
fact that you
pardon.
want their freedom.
Ma'am, please pardon. Please repeat it.
Yeah, I'm saying we have known what your daughter wants as a pet. If we
Right.
ask you, what would you want as a pet? If we keep aside the fact that you want their freedom.
Yes, I already told you, ma'am. I mean, I love pets, but I don't want to keep at my home. Okay, but rather than if you are forcing me, yes, tell me any animal. Please tell me. I have to give answers. So for that. Yes, I will say dog. Dog.
Dogs. I
Yes.
adore dogs. I literally adore dogs. But the problem is
Okay.
that my father, he's like, till the time I'm alive, there would be no pet under my roof. I'm like seriously, who gives such an ultimatum? Like, who does that? So I don't know what he has with pets. So we're not allowed to keep pets.
Right. Right.
Sadly, that's a sad thing.
Sadly, you don't. Means you don't have pet.
No, I don't. I'm never gonna have one. Never. But if I ever
No.
get a pet chance, I would keep a dog. I love dogs.
Yes. Yes. Because dog it is protecting our home also, right? If you are not at home, so it
Yeah.
is like a security guard for us, right?
I wouldn't get a dog for a security purpose. I
Okay.
would get a dog because I like dogs. I would want
Okay.
to have a pet. I would want to have a dog. You know how crazy that I did think a name also of my pet. That if
Okay.
ever, I convinced my dad that let's keep
Okay.
a pet.
Okay.
So this is the
Okay.
dog's name that I would keep it.
Which name will be?
Sadly, we cannot do that.
But which name will you keep? if you have
I
if will you have dog?
I don't want to
Okay.
disclose the name. That's my name that I've tried to keep for the dog.
Okay, okay.
Oh my
Because
god.
I was thinking, my daughter told me, I want a mama, I want pig, okay, and we will keep a pig as a pet at our home. So I was thinking when she will grows up, okay, yes, what will happen that time if she will insist me, okay, mama, I want pig, I want pig, please bring pig for me. Then what I will do at that time? So sometime we
Please
see
tell
like
her
you
that
also.
pigs are not for pets. You've got to tell her that, Nilima.
It is definitely.
Yeah.
But she loves pigs. She loves pigs a lot. She's saying
Has she ever seen a real life pig?
no. That's why.
That's
She
why.
always watches only Peppa Pig,
Peppa
and
Pig.
she think yes, pigs are very cute, very sweet, and they are talkative also because Peppa Pig is talkative, right? Talkative and is
Mm,
talking in this
mm,
serial, not serial,
of
yeah,
course.
cartoon channel. Okay, so that's why she's
You
crazy for that.
you've got to show her a real life pig. I really want to see her reaction. What her reaction is gonna be when she sees a real life pig in a mud slot. Like what
Yes, yes, I will
exactly?
show her. Now I don't want to show her because she loves pig, and why I should what
Ruin
I should
her
tell her that.
perception.
Yes, yes. I
Yeah,
don't want
makes
to.
sense.
Yes, nowadays she is loving animals also. Animals. There are so many animals in that cartoon. Okay, in
Mm.
Peppa Pig, just like a rabbit and dog, all
Oh,
things.
okay.
That's why she is loving all animals also, right?
Okay.
So it is good thing she is loving animals, right? And yes, it is good. And do you know? Yes, actually, I why I don't want pig. Sorry,
Pet.
sorry. I'm also fond of
That's
Peppa Pig
okay.
with my daughter, so that's coming in my mind, in my mouth
Mm,
continuously. Yes, why I
that's
don't
okay.
want pet at my home because do you know, ma? Actually, I'm habitual to say ma'am, so that's why. Do you know, Paveen? If you have pet, so you have to take care of that pet
Of
properly, right?
course.
Like a
Exactly.
child, like a child. If you are able to take care of that pet, so you can carry, you can keep you at your home as a pet. But
Mm,
if you are not able to do all things, so you should not, right?
absolutely.
You should not spoil anyone's life.
Exactly.
That is also life,
That
right?
is a
That animal's
being
life.
as well,
So we should
living
not
being
spoil
it
their life.
is. And when you keep it,
Yes,
it's not
yes,
just an animal anymore. It becomes a part of your family. So what that pet is
right.
eating, or what he's wearing, or what vaccinations it
We
needs
have
to
to
have,
careful
there is a
about
lot of
all
stuff,
things.
that you need to
Exactly.
take care of. Very
Right,
true.
right, right. So we should not miss we should not spoil anyone's life, right? That they are also like they are not human being, but they are also
Oh,
creature
of
like us,
course,
right?
of course.
So we should take care of them. And I know I'm not able to take care of any pet, so because of that also I don't want pet at
Hmm.
my home. But I love pets, other pets. If I see dog anywhere in anyone's home, so I love it.
Okay.
And in our family also, there was Cutie, okay? There Miss that female
Okay.
dog, okay? Cutie, her name was
Oh,
Cutie, and she was too cute, okay? Yes, she was too cute. That's why her name was
cutie.
Cutie. As yeah,
That's interesting.
she had white furs on her body. She covered
Okay.
with all white furs, and
Mm,
she was looking too cute. Now
okay.
she's no more.
Oh my
But
god.
really, we always miss her. We always miss her. So it is also hard when we lose any pet from. So it is also
What
hard to
happened to
accept.
her?
And she was old, and she was old also. And then after there was some what can I say? What just like I'm not able to explain. Okay. She was sick also, and she was too near about 12 years old. So you know the
Oh, she's too
lifespan of
old.
animals and dogs, near about 12 or 15
Mm-hmm.
years, right? So she was old, and then
Mm.
after she was sick. Okay, she had some problem. I am not able to express what problem was that, but she had some problem. And but we miss always her. Her name was Cutie, and she was too cute.
So she
Yes.
lived her entire lifespan.
Yes, she lived.
That is
Yes,
good. That is good.
she lived. It
This
was
is
good thing,
what
right?
it's easy to get a dog, but when you get so much attached to that pet, when you lose it, it
Exactly.
becomes such a hard feeling. God. And I can only imagine how
Right.
hard it is to come out of that phase. Oh my God. That is
Do you
fine.
know, she was in my relatives' home. She was family member of our relatives, one of relatives. Okay,
Mm.
and do you know, she was uh, there was uncle. Okay, we call Ajuba. Okay,
Okay.
to my
Okay.
relatives. Okay, we call Ajuba.
Mhm.
So she was very affectionate with that Ajuba and Aji. Okay, with our
Mm.
relatives. So she was too much affectionate. Okay, she had affection with them, with their with their family members. Okay, and do you know what happened? My Ajuba, okay, I always called Ajuba, so that's why I'm saying Ajuba, like uncle. Okay, you can
Yeah,
consider
got it.
uncle or not uncle. Okay,
Grandfather.
grandpa, just like grandpa,
Mhm.
father-in-law, or say grandfather. Okay, so when he had gone to foreign country for 1 month, okay, and she was too much crazy for my grandfather. Okay, so when she miss him, okay, for some days, for 4, 5, 7 days. So she could not survive. Because of that, also she could not survive
Oh
because she
my
was
God.
too much affectionate and he was too much caring. Means my grandfather was too much caring. So because of that, also we are thinking this was also reason
Okay.
because she's no more. Yes, this
Oh
was
my
also
God.
reason. Yes, because they are also they has emotion, right? They has
Mm.
emotion like us. Every pets and every animal has emotion like us. So yes, it is too difficult to stay without that person to whom you are loving most, right?
Mm. Mm.
Like
Mm.
we can't live without that person
We
to whom
cannot
we are
survive.
loving most, right?
Of
Like pets
course,
are also like us.
we are
Yes,
attached to that being,
yes.
no
So
matter
she
if
was
it's not a
old
human or
and
whatever.
my yes, she was older, so she had some sickness or she was ill. And then after that, my grandfather had gone out for 1 month. So because of three reasons, yes, I can say she missed
That
my
she
grandfather
couldn't
a lot,
survive.
and because of that, also I can say means
Is it
she
like in
died.
her last days he wasn't there with her?
No, she was not with there when my grandfather had gone. Okay, after 8 days, she had died. Yes, she died. It happened.
Oh
It
my
is
God.
reality. Means pets are same like us. They have emotion like us. So that's why I
They,
don't want to keep pet at my home because I'm not that much able to take care of them. Because
mm,
of that, also we have to
okay.
take care of them properly. So that is also
Yeah,
reason, right? It's
very
not.
true,
But
very
I love
true.
all animals. Yes, especially
You
peacock.
you are an
Peacock,
animal person
peacock,
because
rabbit.
you have
They are
felt
too
like
cute.
so deeply about animals, and I like that. It's so good that you
Yes,
value
yes.
such lives. It's it's really sad to know about your dog. What breed was the dog? Cutie? Was it a
Cutie.
poodle?
Uh, what? Yes.
Was it a poodle?
Not poodle. Because I don't have that much knowledge of dogs breed. Okay, so I
Breed.
can't tell
Okay.
you. I know, but I forgot. Okay, I know, but I forgot.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine.
Now
Okay,
it's not
anyway.
coming. When in next session, definitely I will tell you. In next session.
We are coming
Yes.
to an end, Nilima, right? So one or two
Okay.
things that I would
Yes.
like to point out for you, like when you say
Okay.
she will grows up, like you're talking about your daughter. So the sentence that you
Okay.
used was when she will grows up, right? So if
Grows
it's
up. Yes.
will, so you don't have to say grows. It has to be when she'll grow up without an S.